Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode, where we dive into the world of American muscle, performance, and cutting edge design. I'm Franco, and today we're talking all about the Chevrolet Corvette, its origins, its evolution, and how nature, believe it or not, played a role in its design and performance. Did you hear the sound of that V8? That's a CA Corvette Stingray. Let's start with a little history. The Corvette made its debut back in 1953 at a car show in New York. It was originally a sleek, two-seater sports car with a fiberglass body, something totally new at the time. Only 300 of those forced Corvettes were made, and all of them were white with red interiors. It was stylish, no doubt, but under the hood, it wasn't quite the performance beast we know today. Over the years, Corvette evolved into a symbol of American engineering and speed, from the Stingray in the 60s to the aggressiveness ZR1 models in the 2000s. And now the mid-engine CA Corvette released in 2020, it has pushed boundaries in both style and performance. Now let's talk about something really cool. How nature influenced some of the Corvette's design, especially in terms of aerodynamics and aesthetics. Nature has always been a master at designing for speed and efficiency. Let's take birds, fish, or even cheetahs. Each one has a form that reduces drag, conserves energy, and maximizes speed. Corvette's designers follow the same principles. The smooth, sculpted curves of the body help the car cut through the air with less resistance, just like a falcon diving at a high speed. Even the aggressive stance, sharp angles of the Corvette resembles Predator in the wild, ready to pounce, powerful, and fast. These visuals trigger a response in us, making the car feel fast even when it's standing still.
Did you hear that sound? That's a flat plane crank C8Z06 Corvette. So that's another type of Corvette. And then there's one more, which is the ZR1, which exactly sounds similar, but that would be twin turbo.
Now let's talk about the Corvette's technology. When we look at technology, Corvette has come a very long way. The early models were powerful but basic. Fast forward to today's CA Corvette, and you're looking at a mid-engine layout, which improves balance and handling. It's got a digital cockpit, launch control, magnetic ride suspension, and even aerodynamic features like air vents and underbody panels, all designed with airflow and performance in mind. That's not just engineering, it's mimicking nature's logic and movement and function. What's also amazing is how Corvette uses lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum to reduce weight while increasing strength, kind of like how birds have hollow bones for flight. To wrap it up, Corvette isn't just an American sports car. It's a blend of style, science, and natural inspiration. From its 1953 roots to today's high-tech performance machine, it's proved that innovation never stops. And while it may be built by nature, it definitely learns from it. Thanks for listening. Be sure to check out more episodes where we explore how design and engineering often meet in surprising ways.